I have an Ulta haul. I did purchase some of the 21 days of Ulta haul. Some things were 50%, and there was something I was eyeing that I was so happy. It was $22. I will show you what the product is. And there is also something I purchased that wasn't on sale, but my friend liked it. She mentioned it, so I got it. As simple as it was and very inexpensive, I decided I want to get it for her. So keep watching and I'll show you these two products. I love getting the Ulta books. The magazines are perfect. I love it when I get it. That's how I get my little steals and deals from Ulta. So today's I am say, I listen with love to my body's message. I listen with love to my body's messages. I listen with love to my body's messages. Please take some quiet time and listen to the messages that your body is giving you. Maybe it's hurting. Maybe you just need a little quiet time. Maybe it is telling you something that you need to know. Maybe not for today, but preparing you for something. Please listen to your body's messages. Now, the haul. I purchased on, I want to give you the real dates. This is what I do. When the Ulta magazine comes in, I go through them and I circle. You see, question mark. First, I put a question mark and I'm like, do I really want this? And then I circle it because I want to make sure when that day comes, I am going to either get it or don't. So here is the question mark. Let's see. Can you see it? Yes. Okay. So on the, I want to give you the correct day. On August 30th, they had Campari Pink Guava with guava mango and mandarin hair and body mist. This is what it looks like. I purchased that. That was $14.99 if I'm not mistaken. It was half the price. It was 50% off, whatever the price was. So I got that. It smells nice. It has a very nice mister. So that's number one. And on September 9th, I purchased the Murad Super Active Moisturizer SPF 50 Mattifying Oil Plus Pore Control. If you've been watching this channel for a while, I have very oily skin. This was half price. I paid $22 for this and it just arrived. So I have to do this video. And this is what it looks like. It is 1.7 fluid ounces. I used to use Murad a long time ago when they were less expensive than they became. So now with the half price, that's what I used to pay back in the day than what it is now. So I had to grab this. And it used to be green. I don't remember it being blue, but they have a lot of different lines now. So this one I picked up. The Campari is 4 fluid ounces. So I'll be bathing in it. The next thing I picked up that was not on sale, Ulta packaging, very nice. And the two others came in separately. To make the $35 to get free shipping, I added the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Powder in Mocha. I have one and I couldn't remember if mocha was my shade, so I went and I get mocha. If not, I'll just use it as a bronzer. The next thing that I did purchase on the same day as the Campari, which was August 30th, was Sacred by Beyonce. I have not used it. I let it sat there because I said I want to see what else I am going to I wanted to see what else I was going to purchase before I open it. I've already taken out the seal on there, and this is what it is. I've been eyeing this oil. I have been eyeing this oil since it came out because remember, I go Ulta for my hair trims every 3 to 4 months. And every time I go, I'm like, I gotta get this. But I had the Moroccan oil I was trying, and I also have my Amica oil. So I was like, I'll just wait. And it just happened to be $22, which is half the price. So I was like, I gotta take it now. So I bought it. I have not tried it. I'll let you know when I try it. But this was the next thing that I purchased together on August 30th, half price deal. $14, $22. I could not let this pass me by. Now on September 9th, to add other things to my Murad order, I added the NYX because I wanted free shipping. One of my friends and I, we went to one of our other friends' 60th birthday party, and she's like, I like your liner. And I'm like, well, I'm wearing LA Girl black liner. She's like, I have Wet n Wild, but it doesn't say. I say, me too. I have Wet n Wild, but it doesn't stay. I have a Wet n Wild right here, and I have the LA Girl right here. I have found that when I put the Wet n Wild, don't stay long, so I pass this one over it and it stays. So when she said she liked it, I purchased it for her. She's gonna come visit me. This will be the third Saturday we hanging out together, so she'll get this. So that's for her. And these are my Ulta 21-day event, 50% off sale. I did very good. Let me know if you did purchase anything from the Ulta 21 days of beauty event, or if you're planning to get on the later ones, or if you're gonna skip it altogether. But this was my Ulta haul. That was everything I needed. There's still time going on. There will be, today is Sunday, so the sale ends on the 18th of September. So there is still time if you need something to go get it. Saturday, Sunday. So if today's Sunday, you're watching this, they still have some deals going on. Go shop if you can afford it. Thank you very much for watching. And remember today's I listen with love to my body's messages. Always remember you first. Love yourself very, very much. Do not give up on yourself. And always remember, if you are struggling with any issue, please reach out. We are not perfect humans. We are human beings with issues and troubles and tribulations and burdens and guilts and shames. But there is always help. And I want you to remember that. There is always help. And know that you are enough. I will see you shortly. Remember to share this video with a friend. And as always, I appreciate you. See you soon. Bye.